in this business and in this opportunity. Okay. Okay, so we are going now to go to the next P, which is the platform. Our company is based in Singapore and from Asia, moving to Europe to USA. So let's watch, okay, the video. First, we will watch the video. So as we are preparing the video, let me tell you that our company started from a very small room. I think just half of this room, there is a small office of our CEO, a table that only 4 people can fit, just like this, 4 people. Very small, 20 square meters in Singapore. Ang Myok Yo, that is like at the it's like the north part or southern part of Singapore. No, but would you believe that now in the 17 years, okay, we have already more than 60 branches or offices in 14 countries. 17 years ago, the office of our CEO fit only 4 people. So let's watch to the headquarters. This is now the headquarters, from this humble office to the headquarters of Riway.